How to reset YouTube feed. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your YouTube feed. So if your recommendations are a mess, or you're just looking for a fresh start, follow along step by step. Alright, let's get started. Open your YouTube app on your phone. Now, tap on your profile icon, you'll find it in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the gear icon in the top right corner, that's your settings. Scroll a bit and tap on Manage All History under the History section. Then, at the top, go ahead and tap on Controls. Scroll down and tap on Manage History. This will open a new page with all your activity. Now comes the important part. Tap the Delete option, then choose Delete All Time. Confirm the action, and your entire YouTube watch and search history will be wiped. That's it. Once your history is cleared, YouTube will stop using your old activity to recommend videos, giving you a totally clean and reset feed.